how to fix the Facebook login issue on TikTok. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Tap Menu in the top left corner. Now tap the Settings and Privacy. Again, tap Settings. Scroll down and on your Activity section, look for Apps and Websites. Tap on it, and you should see the Apps, Websites, and Games option. If this feature is turned off, Facebook won't allow you to log in to third-party apps using your Facebook account. So make sure Apps, Websites, and Games is turned on. If it's already turned on, you can turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on again. Once you've done that, close the Facebook app. Now open TikTok and try signing in with Facebook again. If you're still having trouble, you can also clear TikTok's cache. Go to your profile and tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy, then scroll down and tap Free Up Space in Cache and Mobile section. Next to Cache, tap Clear and confirm by tapping Clear again. You can also clear your downloads if necessary. After doing this, completely close both TikTok and Facebook. Then open TikTok again and try logging in with Facebook. If the problem still isn't fixed, open the App Store and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the available updates and make sure TikTok and Facebook are fully updated. Finally, restart your iPhone and try the Facebook login again. If Facebook login still doesn't work after trying these steps, the issue may be related to a temporary problem with TikTok or Facebook's login service. And that's how you can fix the Facebook login issue on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.